We're not gonna wait an hour. We're gonna take a vehicle.
Bro, okay. What are you towing a vehicle for if I live right around the corner? What are you doing this?
Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Are you for real?
Yeah, stay in the car.
No, don't do that.
Stay in the car.
What are you doing?
You need to stop.
Get off of me!
A stolen plate, an unlicensed driver, a passenger who refuses every lawful command. This encounter did not begin with force. It began with a question: where exactly does constitutional law draw the line, and who crossed it first?
Is there an infraction?
Yeah, there is. Is this your vehicle, sir?
No, sir. This is my grandmother's vehicle.
Your grandmother? What's your grandmother's name? Okay. Can we come out real quick?
That's fine.
So come here real fast.
Yes, sir.
See there's no plate right there?
Yes, sir.
And then the back plate actually comes back stolen. That's why we're stopping you right now, okay?
Yeah, because my...
Okay, does that make sense now why we're stopping you?
I totally understand, but I told them that it was stolen by my...
Yeah, that's fine.
Cousin's
so until we can verify that, we're gonna make sure that's not the right vehicle, okay? Because people actually put plates on there, so this plate comes back stolen.
That's fine.
Which is why we stopped it right now, okay?
Okay.
Do you have a license on you?
Yes, sir. But I do have my ID.
That's fine, I appreciate it. I suggest you not having an attitude right with us when we're actually trying to get a stop going.
I was just trying.
And also, you don't have a license, so why are you even driving in the first place, sir?
Correct.
Does your passenger have a driver's license?
No, sir.
Okay. Well,
I'm able to get around.
Yeah, you should probably start working on that. You
Yes,
go and take a seat real quick.
Thank you.
We'll get that figured out.
Right there.
No, we're not done yet. All right.
Do you have an ID on you, dear? Huh? She doesn't want to give us her ID.
Mr. Jefferson, do you have insurance on your vehicle? Do you have insurance?
I'll prove it in court.
What?
I'll prove it in court.
Okay, that's fine. Is your grandmother on? Is that your grandmother's car? Is she on the way? Do you know how long until she's here? You know how long until she's here? Probably an hour. I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle, then we're going to tow your vehicle then, sir.
What are you towing the vehicle for?
You don't have to tow the vehicle. She's right around the corner. It's on Third Street. You can follow me back there.
You said an hour, correct?
Can you follow
We're not
me
going to wait an hour. We're going to tow your vehicle.
Bro.
Okay.
What are you towing a vehicle for if the
registered owner's on the way? You said she's going to be here in an hour.
She's on the way.
You said an hour, didn't you?
She's on the way though.
But you said an hour.
Correct. She's on the way, right?
But it's going to be an hour?
She's able to get the vehicle, right?
In an hour?
She's able to.
We're going to tow the vehicle.
She's right around the corner. She has to get a ride.
That's not an hour.
It doesn't matter. She has to get a ride. I'm in her car. It's right around the corner.
I understand that, and you're not supposed to be driving, sir, correct? We're not going to wait an hour.
Can you follow me there?
That's not a no, I'm not going to follow you there.
Bro, they are bored.
How are you?
Let's go. Step out of the vehicle.
So you're about to... I'm not about to... No, I'm about to call her. That shit dead.
Don't bang.
Okay.
Bro, what are you doing that for? Bro, what are you taking me for if I'm about to call her back? I live right around the corner. What the f*** are you doing this?
Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Are you for real?
Yeah, stay in the car.
No, don't do that.
Stay in the car.
Yeah, no, y'all blowing it. We're not doing shit to y'all.
This ain't your traffic
I don't give a f***. I'm in this car. This is our granny car.
Or you're going in cuffs. Stay in the car.
No, I'm about to record the f*** out of y'all because I have a ride. Okay, so I'm going to stand right here.
I thought you were under shoes.
Bro, I just had slides on. You just took me out my sheets.
You mean? Who finna run? I don't give a f*** about running from y'all. Y'all bored as f***, like I said. Nobody doing shit to y'all.
Are we done with her?
Ma'am, we need you out of the vehicle, please. We're going to be towing your vehicle.
I don't put no type of fear on my heart. Don't come over here and talk to me.
We need you out of the vehicle. Get out of the car.
Y'all weird. Okay, I'm
Get out of the car.
This car first.
Grab your car. Get out of the car now.
I'm grabbing my stuff.
Get out of the vehicle.
Y'all blowing it.
Get out of the vehicle.
Get off of me. Don't touch me.
You need to stop obstructing.
Don't touch
You are
me.
obstructing.
Don't touch
You need to stop
me.
yelling
Get
at
the
me.
f*** out my face.
You need to start listening.
Get the f*** out my
This is the
face.
last time I'm telling you you're too
Don't
handcuffs.
touch me.
You need to stay out of the vehicle.
I don't care. Don't touch me. Get out my face. Don't touch
You need to
me.
stand over there.
Don't touch me. Stop touching me.
Put your hands behind your back.
You're blowing it. What y'all doing that for? Y'all are weird. Y'all are weird as f***. What are y'all doing that stuff? Y'all f***ing weird. Oh my granny, y'all some fuck.
We're not going to put a hand on the back
Fuck
seat.
with y'all ugly as y'all weird as oh my granny.
Let go of your phone.
I'm gonna beat the fool on my granny. Without them cuss y'all weird, y'all wicked as fuck. Shut the f up, bitch. Shut up. Fuck weird, ugly motherfucker. No, bitch, move. Fuck, you're weak, fool. Stop. You're weak. I promise you ain't stronger than me. I promise you're not. You so weak ass. What are you doing?
You need to stop.
Get off of me. What the f are you doing? And I'm right here. Move.
You need to stop.
No, get off of me.
You need to stop resisting. That's fine. You can do that. I don't
Yeah,
care.
get the f off me, bitch. With your dumb ass. I'm not no f***ing kid. go. Get the off of me. Stop. I'm not playing with you. Stop it right now.
This is not your traffic stop.
Okay. You're not playing like you. Get off of me. I'm not playing with you. Y'all weird as fuck. Y'all weird as fuck. Get off of me. I can't breathe. Mom. Y'all weird. Nobody do shit. Y'all weird as fuck. Ain't nobody do shit to y'all. Let me go. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Get out of here. Let me go. Y'all corny as fuck. Oh my granny, y'all corny as fuck.
We need a back seat.
Get off of me.
Door open.
I didn't do shit to y'all. Bro, help me. Bro, record these with that.
Door open.
Y'all weird on my
Get
granny.
in the car.
The female suspect escalates her meltdown once she's seated in the police vehicle. She begins screaming the most vile things imaginable to try and anger the officers.
Y'all fucking weird. Fuck, y'all corny as fuck. Where the fuck is my sister at? Fuck, what type of shit is this? I mean, fuck up. Fuck on my granny. Y'all weird as fuck. Y'all lucky y'all don't kick this bitch in. Fuck out of here. Y'all weird. Y'all weird ass bitches. Fuck my granny. Y'all got me fucked up. Y'all weird ass niggas. On my granny, I'm suing the fuck out y'all bitches. Fuck y'all weird as fuck. With y'all bitches. Nobody do shit to y'all bitches. Party ass bitches. Fuck wrong with y'all. Fuck wrong with y'all. Y'all weird. Who the fuck does that shit? Fuck. Shit dead as fuck. Y'all weird as fuck. Y'all all some bitches on my granny. Can't wait till all y'all niggas get fucking popped. Fucking lucky I don't spit on y'all bitch ass niggas. Can't wait till this matrix fall on y'all bitch ass. I swear to God. Fuck wrong with y'all. Fuck wrong with y'all. Y'all don't got no right to do that weird ass shit with y'all bitch ass niggas. Y'all some bitches. Fuck. I hope all y'all families get fucking popped. Bitch ass niggas. Fuck y'all pulling up to do that. Some man handle a female with y'all bitch ass. Fuck wrong with y'all. Y'all weird as fuck. On my granny, y'all weird as fuck. Fuck ain't shit in there with y'all dumb ass. It's an old lady car. Y'all look stupid as fuck. Not gonna find shit with y'all dumb ass looking for drugs. Fuck, y'all got me fucked up. On my granny, y'all got me fucked up. Y'all some bitches. All y'all some pussy. Y'all couldn't even take down one female with y'all bitch asses. Fuck, y'all weak as fuck. All y'all ugly as fuck and weak as fuck. All y'all. So fuck. Don't talk to me. Don't say shit to me. And y'all let them handle me for no fucking reason. Fuck, I don't care. I don't care. These fucking nuts. Stop talking to me. Fuck no. Y'all can't get shit to me now. Y'all really can't. Got this weak ass bitch over here. Bitch, you weak as fuck. Bitch, you couldn't hold no 19-year-old by yourself with your weak ass bitch. Fuck you don't belong here with your weak ass. Couldn't even hold one 19-year-old female, weak bitch. Quit your job. And he over there fucking lying. You fucking lying ass bitch. With y'all redneck ass, cracker face ass bitch. Go back to the mountains. Y'all ugly as fuck. Y'all some bitches. I swear to God, y'all some bitches. Y'all ain't got shit else better to fucking do. That shit dead as fuck. Y'all have no right to fucking touch me. Period. I don't give a fuck. With y'all weak asses. Fuck. Y'all are some bitches. I swear to God. Some straight pussies. Weak ass. It took 60 y'all weak ass niggas. Y'all is so weak. So fucking weak. So fucking weak. No, y'all, none of y'all can't say shit to me. And I ain't do shit. Get the fuck out of here and I'm in cuffs. Get the fuck out of here. I don't have to say shit. I scrape legs. All that shit. What are you talking about? What you mean? Stop talking to me. Y'all so fucking weird. Y'all got these weak ass niggas over here. Fuck. Y'all putting us up for what? Fuck. You could have waited for her fucking right to get here so she could drive for us, bitch. You wanted to be impatient and rush her old ass lady? You're fucking selfish. Bitch, I can't wait to get in court. On my granny, I can't fucking wait. Fuck you mean? No, y'all can stop talking to me and get a fucking ambulance here. Y'all got me fucked
fucked up. Y'all do shit like this when y'all bored. Just pull motherfuckers over because it's the only car right there. Because you couldn't wait 30 minutes for our grandmother to find a ride to come drive her car. Y'all are weird. Y'all are fucking weird, bitch. These other people are fucking dying, and these other people are with fucking drugs and you worry about us. What's wrong with y'all? Then y'all got this rookie ass bitch that can't even fucking mad with nobody. Put that bitch where the little motherfuckers at, cause she weak as fuck. I'll beat your ass without them cuss or them fucking guns, bitch. What's wrong with you? Y'all ugly asses. Y'all weird as fuck. That shit is so dead. Oh my granny, that shit is dead. Don't come here talking to me. That shit weird. I don't care. Fuck, it's hot as fuck in here. Let me fucked up. Y'all some bitches, period.
No seatbelt.
With y'all bitch ass. Y'all weak as fuck. Y'all couldn't handle one girl. You quit your fucking job. Fuck. Ugly as fuck. Well, my granny, y'all weird. Y'all thought somebody had drugs with y'all bitch asses. That's why y'all pulled us over in the first place. Weird as fuck. Get out of here with this weird ass shit. Yeah, hurry up and get me the fuck out of here. Y'all weird as fuck. My sister's right there. Fuck, who was supposed to fucking drive? Y'all bitch couldn't wait. Fuck, y'all want to tow the car because you got other shit to do. Then bitch, why would you worry about us in the first place? Wasn't nobody doing shit to y'all asses. Y'all love fucking with people. Y'all really do, because y'all feel like y'all got some fucking authority. Is y'all manhandling a little ass female for y'all weird as fuck? Y'all sit there and watch each other do that shit. What one of y'all bitch ass is gonna stand up and be different from the rest? That's what I truly want to know. Y'all all act the fucking same. Y'all all some bitches. For what? Y'all suck the fuck out of each other for what? And feel like y'all doing something. It's cool because this matrix gonna fall on all y'all bitch ass. Y'all ain't gonna know what to do. Y'all gonna be how y'all was just in the fucking mountains, lost. It's okay because karma, bitch. Karma come in so many different forms. Y'all ain't even gonna know. Y'all just gonna think life, and y'all dumb ass. When it's the bullshit been put on other motherfuckers that's coming back on y'all dumb ass. Selfish. Just f***ing selfish. Y'all say y'all here to protect us. Y'all going against us. What the fuck is really y'all society? Talk about here to serve and protect. Y'all f***ing beating our asses every day. What type of shit is that? Y'all should be f***ing ashamed of yourselves. And y'all families and y'all kids should f***ing disown y'all. Y'all need to all be f***ing disowned and lonely. Just sad. It's really just f***ing sad. How this is y'all f***ing, this is what y'all do. Y'all don't care about y'all f***ing job for real. Y'all care about the authority y'all get. Cause y'all some bitches. Without none of this, y'all would be bitches. You know that? Without none of this shit, y'all would not be fucking with us at all. Without none of this shit, y'all be down to us. That's what y'all be forgetting. Without none of this shit, y'all would not be a fucking grain of salt. Wouldn't worth that. Wouldn't be worth that at all. Shut all this shit down right now and look at how all y'all start scattering like bitches. Cause I ain't gonna have shit. I don't have shit to fight for no more. You always think it's gonna be at least that one cop. It's never that no more. That's all y'all bitches. Oh, y'all. What y'all scared of us for? And y'all calling group of motherfuckers with guns and pipes. Fuck y'all scared of. Y'all act like y'all scared of y'all fucking life. Get the fuck out of here. Y'all crazy. Y'all crazy as fuck. Okay? No, I'm not okay. I'm hot as fuck and I'm tired and I'm ready to get the fuck out this car and get away from y'all.
I'm gonna get you out, okay?
Y'all crazy.
Yeah.
Y'all need to check some of these. Some of these motherfuckers that said, y'all need to check some of y'all fucking friends. I really do. Cause it is sad as fuck.
Hey, listen.
It's sad as fuck.
Hey.
It's sad as fuck.
Hey,
A motherfucker can't even enjoy their fucking day. Cause y'all wanna be out here fucking with people. What's wrong with y'all? Y'all crazy as fuck. Change. Y'all need to fucking change and stop doing dumb shit. Fuck me. Y'all weird as fuck.
Every decision made in this stop is traceable to established Supreme Court precedent. But knowing the law before the encounter changes everything. What did these suspects not understand, and what did it cost them? The legal foundation begins with Terry v. Ohio 1968. A plate returned stolen in NCIC and a missing front tag, each independently, satisfy the reasonable articulable suspicion threshold required to initiate a lawful stop. Pennsylvania v. Mims 1977 holds that officers may order the driver out of a lawfully stopped vehicle without any additional justification. Maryland v. Wilson 1997 extends that same authority to every passenger, Refusal to comply does not void the order. It creates a new violation. Colorado v. Bertine 1987 authorizes impoundment when the driver holds no valid license and no licensed operator is immediately available. South Dakota v. Opperman 1976 established the community caretaking doctrine supporting this authority. Officers are not required to wait. The tow is constitutionally sound. Graham v. Connor 1989 is the controlling standard for any use of force analysis. Reasonableness is assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with the benefit of hindsight, and not from the perspective of the subject resisting. The use of force continuum places physical extraction of a non-compliant passenger at the soft, hard, empty hand control tier. Verbal commands must be exhausted before escalation. In this encounter, they were. The force applied was proportionate to the resistance offered. City of Houston v. Hill 1987 protects profane verbal challenges directed at law enforcement under the First Amendment. Offensive language alone does not constitute a criminal offense. An arrest made solely on the basis of speech exposes the department to direct civil liability. Virginia v. Black 2003 carved out the true threat doctrine. A statement communicating a genuine intent to harm is not protected speech. Counterman v. Colorado 2023 added that the speaker must be at least recklessly indifferent to whether their words constitute a real threat of violence. The structural lesson here is this: constitutional ignorance does not create legal immunity. Every right has a procedural ceiling. Exercising the right to speak does not suspend the obligation to comply with a lawful physical order. These are not competing principles. Courts have consistently held they operate simultaneously. The female suspect was not wrong to invoke her right to speak, but the line between protected speech and a true threat is narrow and jurisdiction dependent. Did her statements cross it? The case law gives a framework. The outcome is not guaranteed. When a stop is lawful, a tow is lawful, and every order is lawful, what legal remedies remain for the person who ends up in handcuffs? That question, and what Section 1983 of the Civil Rights Act has to say about it, is exactly what separates a charge from a lawsuit.